Look
So I'm
how
sure you
wide.
notice a couple of ships anchored out here today. That big blue one to the right here.
Anyway, there's a
Well, that is
start.
the BBC Plata from Antigua Barbuda.
Oh,
She
you
has
said
been
hot dog.
anchored here since the 8th and is finally scheduled to come in today around 2 p.m. or so. She's going to be coming in to load up on wheat. Beyond that, the gray and red vessel back there. That is the Elbeborg of the Wagenborg Company. Alright, she comes from the Netherlands, was built in 2011, it's 476 feet long by 52 feet wide, and is coming in to load up on beet pulp pellets. The BBC Plata was built in 2014. It's 453 feet long by 69 feet wide. Though both of these are pretty large ocean-going salty vessels, they are only about half the length of our largest Laker vessels, which are anywhere, the longest are right around 1,000 feet long. One of them is actually on her way in right now. Kind of look a little bit behind us, and a little off in the distance, you will see the Walter J. McCarthy. She is on her way in. We'll probably be able to get a closer look around the time we're done with our tour. Hopefully we'll see her at that time. The Walter J. McCarthy is one of 13  1,000 foot vessels, or 1,000 footers as we call them, that sail the Great Lakes today.
Yeah.
She was built in 1977. It is 997 feet long, 505 feet wide. She's going to be coming in to load up on iron ore pellets at the CN ore docks.
I need heavy food. Very nice of you.
Which you'll see at night in heavy fog. The U.S. Coast Guard is responsible for maintaining and operating all of these lighthouses. So one of our deckhands got a chance to go talk to the U.S. Coast Guard that maintain the lighthouses here and ask what the job was like, what it entails, if it's anything difficult. So they have a lot of work to do, and they have to maintain it 24 hours a day.
Really, actually gonna do it. It's amazing. Oh, look at that! It's raising. Did you see that? Yeah, I see that.
All right, we're about to pass under the aerial lift bridge here again in a couple minutes. As the bridge raises, you'll be able to see how it works. On either side of the tower are two 500-ton concrete blocks that counterweight the 1,000-ton lifting span. The calibration is so exact that whenever the bridge is repainted, weight is added to the concrete blocks to offset the weight of the new paint on the lifting span. Each of those is only operated by a 125 horsepower engine on either side.
That's sweet.
As we pass under the bridge here, those of you on the outer decks, if you have sensitive ears or small children, may want to cover your ears or step inside. The captain is about to blow the ship's horn. There'll be one long blast followed by two short, and then the aerial lift bridge will respond in kind.
Wow. Yeah. I have sensitive ears. Okay. Oh no.
we call a captain's salute, sort of a nautical high five. The boat says to the bridge, "Thank you for lifting." The bridge responds, "Thank you for not running into me." Normally at this time, the bridge would only lift halfway for us, but we are currently being followed by the Walter J. McCarthy.
Oh, okay. Is that oil? No, that's the water.